In this episode of On Patrol, I address the tech tools I use on the job. Rather interesting. Each has its special purpose, and if you get a mobile patrol job, this may be very helpful for you. Gear includes, but is not limited to, Android apps, two-way radio, laptop, Bluetooth, headset, and more.
Security, Syborg.
For my mobile patrol gear, I have several items. I've got a digital audio recorder over here, Velcro to the left front pillar, driver's side front pillar here. In case audio should fail, as part of my audio should fail in the my 3-cam dash cam setup. I've got a trusty Baofeng UV5R walkie. I've got two of those here. It's got a unitone YINI external speaker mic. There's the Baofeng, small but trustworthy, easy to program, very easy to program. I donated a similar one, the UV5RX. They haven't used it. Client hasn't used it. I programmed mine and theirs for customer service, and I programmed mine for local police department as well, so I listen to that regularly while I'm patrolling client property here. I have a Bluetooth headset, which is very, very high quality. It's comfortable. Battery life is amazing. It's got Type-C, USB, charging port. I charged it today for only the second time in several months, averaging about 24 hours a week with the thing running, and it just doesn't use much power at all. I have a couple of super Android apps here that I rely on a great deal. One is called ProofCam. It's a free cam that has a customizable stamp on it. It's got I programmed it to have the property address, including the city, state, and zip. It's got latitude, longitude, altitude. It's got updated date and time. I've got to set the military time to the minute. You can use it at 1x magnification or 2x just by pressing a different setting here on the go. I got company name in here, security company work for. We've got the client store number here. I've even got our security company logo. Just super duper. And bragging on my Bluetooth headset, the wireless headset, and it just disconnected. Alright, it's reconnected. Here's the settings for the stamp on the ProofCam. Also, I use a report, I refer to as reporting software reporting app called Evernote, EVERNOTE. Subscriptions, $14.99 a month or $17.99 a month. I go with the $14.99 a month plan. It's got You can add events, attach files. It's got a camera feature. You can attach audio files, type incident reports using the notes feature. It's got tasks. Super duper app. Yeah, and it's a little expensive, but it's well worth it. Let's see, what else have I got here? I've got my Lenovo ThinkPad notebook PC that I use for reviewing video and transferring video from the dash cam's views to the computer, and then some of the more important ones I copy to a 2 terabyte flash drive. So I'm pretty well set up here.